what's been done, what works, how to study what works, that kind of thing. And then, for the underlying generation problems, clearly mechanical, electrical, engineering, all of that kind of stuff is vital, material science and so on.
And I would say if you think about this, I don't think this is a problem that can be disaggregated, and I think that's a lot of where today's challenges come from. An individual operational manager has responsibility for the energy used in a singular building or a facility or a business, and until you look at the overall system that underlies it, you can't get to the well-informed solution. So I think those of you who are studying in this area have got to see this as a system. These are the largest data problems that exist in the world. If you think about time sequence data from millions of points of individual pieces of equipment that then have to be brought to bear in some kind of intelligent executive synthesis that can be brought to an operating team to make decisions, that is a really fascinating challenge. Take time sequence data that can be analyzed and from which intelligence can be gleaned and show that in an executive dashboard that is decisionable, and then do exactly the inverse at the same time. Reduce that data down to the individual employee or citizen or student level in terms of how they contribute and can see metering and monitoring and feedback systems about their own performance and the way in which that is contributing. And don't think about it as a singular information system. Think about it as all the energy sources that provide this, all of the assets that consume it, all of the financial incentives that can be brought to bear, all of the legislation that mandates it, and the performance plans, the financial performance plans of each of the individuals who contribute to that. That is a massive data information problem that has really interesting human interface characteristics, as well as the optimization engines that work underneath it that are really hard computer science. It has really interesting information presentation challenges in terms of how you inform and enable people to take immediate decisions on real-time data that is complex to get to. So I think those of you who work on the human factors end and care a lot about that and care about individual performance characteristics based on real-time monitoring systems, and those of you who want to work on Hadoop and Cassandra and other very large data problems and optimization engines for predictive analytics and analytics that have to be derived from partial data have really meaty computer science challenge opportunities. And we'd like to talk to you afterward.